Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best food steamers for your kitchen that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for an affordable option or the top-tier premium choice, we've got you covered. Check out the product links in the description below. And let's get started with the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the G-Door 3-tier electric food steamer. With its impressive 9.6 quart capacity and 800 watts of power, this steamer stands out as a great choice for families or anyone who loves batch cooking. Its 3 stackable tiers allow you to cook multiple dishes at once, making it ideal for preparing vegetables, seafood, rice, and even eggs simultaneously. Plus, the built-in turbo steam function ensures that your meals are cooked quickly and evenly. The design is user-friendly, with clear water level indicators and a convenient water inlet that lets you add water during cooking without opening the steamer. The trays and lid are made from BPA-free, food-grade material, ensuring safety and durability. Cleaning is a breeze, as all parts are detachable and dishwasher safe. However, at 4.22 pounds, it's slightly bulky, and its white finish may show stains over time. While its large capacity and fast cooking capabilities are definite pros, the G-Door steamer does have a few downsides. Some users have noted that the plastic trays feel less sturdy compared to stainless steel alternatives, and its boil-dry protection, while a great safety feature, requires constant monitoring of water levels for longer cooking sessions. Overall, it's a solid option for families looking for a versatile electric steamer, but it may not be the best choice for smaller kitchens with limited storage space. At number 4, we have the Sunhouse 2-tier stainless steel steamer pot. This manual steamer is perfect for those who prefer a stovetop solution. It's crafted from high-quality stainless steel, which ensures durability and even heat distribution thanks to its tri-ply bonded base. With a 3.1 quart capacity, it's great for steaming vegetables, dumplings, and more. The added bonus is its compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, making it a versatile choice for any kitchen. One of the highlights of the Sunhouse steamer is its transparent glass lid, which allows you to monitor your food without lifting the lid and losing precious steam. The internal measurement lines are a thoughtful touch for precise cooking. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended to maintain its polished finish. The handles are heat-resistant and thoughtfully designed for a comfortable grip. While the Sunhouse steamer is an excellent choice for those who want a stovetop option, its smaller 3.1 quart capacity might not be sufficient for larger families. Additionally, it lacks the convenience of automated features like timers and auto shutoff, which are common in electric models. However, for those looking for a reliable, durable, and toxin-free steamer pot, the Sunhouse is a fantastic option that delivers consistent results. Coming in at number 3 is the Safe-Fine Vegetable Steamer Basket. This simple yet effective steamer is made from premium, food-grade stainless steel and is designed to fit various pot sizes, expanding from 5.5 inches to 9.2 inches. It's the perfect option for those who already own a pot and want a budget-friendly solution for steaming vegetables, seafood, or even fruits. The Safe-Fine steamer features a folding pedal design that opens like a lotus flower and folds compactly for easy storage. The removable center post makes it easy to insert and remove the basket from boiling water, and the polished finish ensures it's easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher. This steamer is extremely lightweight at just 6.4 ounces, making it portable and easy to handle. While the Safe-Fine basket is incredibly versatile and affordable, it does have some limitations. It lacks the capacity and multi-tier design of electric steamers, so it's best suited for smaller batches of food. Additionally, since it's stovetop-based, you'll need to monitor your cooking closely. That said, if you're looking for a no-frills, compact, and durable steamer for occasional use, the Safe-Fine is a fantastic choice that won't break the bank. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Oventy 2-tier electric food steamer, an excellent budget-friendly option priced at just $25.99. This compact steamer features 2 stackable tiers, offering a total capacity of 5 quarts, which is perfect for small to medium-sized meals. With 400 watts of power, a 60-minute timer, and an automatic shutoff feature, it provides a convenient and safe way to cook healthy meals. The stainless steel base adds a touch of durability and elegance to its design, while the clear plastic baskets make it easy to monitor your food as it cooks. Both the baskets and the food tray are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The compact design also allows for easy storage, which is great for smaller kitchens. However, the maximum water capacity of 500 milliliters may require occasional refilling during longer cooking sessions. The Oventea steamer's standout feature is its simplicity and affordability, but it does have some trade-offs. The plastic baskets, while lightweight, may not be as durable as stainless steel alternatives. Additionally, its smaller capacity makes it less suitable for larger households. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective entry-level steamer, the Oventea is a fantastic choice for quick and easy meals. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Bella 2-tier food steamer. This premium option is priced at $42.07 and offers a generous 7.4-quart capacity, making it ideal for larger families or anyone who enjoys preparing multiple dishes at once. The 2-tier design allows for simultaneous cooking of different foods, and the clear water level indicator eliminates any guesswork. The Bella steamer boasts a stainless steel base and stackable plastic baskets, which are both dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Its standout features include an automatic shutoff, boil-dry protection, and a removable base for added convenience. The included steaming guide chart is a thoughtful touch, helping users cook their meals to perfection. While the Bella steamer is packed with features, its larger size may require more storage space, and the plastic baskets, despite being dishwasher safe, may not have the same long-term durability as all metal designs. That said, its combination of capacity, convenience, and safety features makes it the best overall food steamer for most households. If you're serious about healthy cooking and want a reliable, high-performance steamer, the Bella is a clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.